So we just finished up this turnkey package. 6.0 4L80, Ls3 heads, Ls3 intake, stage 3 cam. It's got a Holley LS swap pan, Circle D billet converter. It's got a BP Automotive standalone harness. So this thing's basically a 2-wire hookup just to get it fired up. We've got our key 12 volt here, 12 volt out to the fuel pump. From the battery, we have our ground that we have bolted up to the transmission temporarily. We have our 12 volts going over to the starter lug. And that's basically all we need, besides obviously a programmed PCM to fire this thing up.